Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing 2 acrylic swipes, both using just black and white. I'll list the exact paint colors, paint ratios, and other items that I use in the description box so you can find all the details there. On the one side of this canvas, I'm laying down titanium white that's mixed 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol plus 1 drop of silicone. On the other side, I'm laying down ivory black paint that is also mixed 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol plus 1 drop of silicone. Now I'm going to swipe over the black using white. This white is a thinner consistency than the black, and it's mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 2.5 parts of water. I want a bit more white to show up on the side, so I'm going to swipe again with a bit more white. On this side, I'm going to swipe over the white with some black. This black is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts of water. So the painting looks kind of interesting, but to me it feels like it needs something more just to bring it to life a bit. So I'm going to fiddle around a little bit. I was curious whether drawing some flowers with my palette knife might help add a bit of interest, but they didn't really show up very well. So I've given the painting a few days to dry, and now I'm thinking I'm going to paint the flowers on with a bright color to try and help create a bit of interest. One thing to keep in mind with different paint colors is that some are opaque and some are semi-transparent and others are transparent. And the color that I want to paint the flowers is Crimson by Artist Loft, which is a transparent color, which means that if I paint over the black color that's on the canvas, the crimson isn't really going to show up very well on top of that. That's why I'm painting each of the flowers white first, because that transparent crimson will be more visible against the white background color than against black. To help each of the flowers stand out a little bit more, I'm going to outline them in black and then in white. I'm using thin-tipped Posca pens to do this. I'll include a link to these pens in the description box if you're interested. Now I'm adding a few black lines and black dots, some orange dots and yellow dots. And finally, I'm adding a bit of white just to finish off the painting. Here we go with a close-up. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.